So finally, CMA results of December 2021 term have been announced by the institute after a lot of speculations, after a lot of tensions. Finally, CMA Institute has declared the results. So guys, congratulations to all those who have cleared their exams. But all those who couldn't clear their exams, this is not the end of the roads. It's I can say the beginning of a new learning for you people, right? You need to learn from your mistakes and move ahead with the better preparations for the next attempt. All of you, all the best. And we all, the teachers, the mentors are there for all of you to help you out in identifying where you lagged, and so that you can prepare well for your upcoming attempts, right? So this is not the end of the road. निराश होने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. अब आप लोगों को और मेहनत करनी है अपनी अगली अटेम्प्ट के लिए, राइट? सो गाइज, वन रिक्वेस्ट, ऑल दोज हु हैव स्टडीड फ्रॉम KSJ Teaching, please share your results. There is a small form given in the video description, or you can share your result through Telegram, through email ID, that is ksjteaching@gmail.com. Please do share your results. All those who have studied cost accounting, financial management, CMA Intermediate paper number 8, paper number 10, all those who have prepared for that, and all those who have cleared, or all those who couldn't clear, even those people can share your results, right? Please do share your result, guys. The form is in the video description, or you can share on our Telegram group, which is KSJ Teaching. Search on the Telegram KSJ Teaching, you will find it out. And all those people who need some help, they can also mail us at ksjteaching@gmail.com, right? So all the best, guys, for your future. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.